Hey guys, long time no see. Today I'll show you how to make this paper airplane.
Look, Daddy, that airplane flies so well. Buy me one!
Shut up, Ma. So guys, we base our paper airplane on this traditional one. The changes we made makes it more aerodynamic, makes the air pass. Oh, the changes we made was the changes he made. Sorry, the changes he made makes the air pass faster in this part, so it makes pressure down, makes the airplane fly easier and higher. You get the point. Now let's go to the tutorial. Coming for you, baby. So guys, it's time to start to make this bad boy. And I'll be needing 2 sheets of paper. Let's start by using a white one, which you can see well. You'll start by making a square. Very easy, very simple. Now you have a cross. You're gonna use this point as a reference. Damn. And fold it like this. You're gonna grab these 2 parts and pull them until here. And now fold. As always, remember to crease well. This point will be always your reference, the cross. Now fold in F. Make sure you have something like this. And now do this fold, that will help you out. Make this triangle and then crease. Thanks. Now grab this part and fold it. Come on, man, take this out. That is for another video. Do the same thing for this part. Now, grab this part and fold it until here. We will now need to remove it using a scissors or by simply ripping it apart.
Oh, baby.
Is it still doable? So, let's continue. That was just a minor fail. Now, fold this part in half. This part needs to be creased well. Now you're gonna fold it like this, but don't fold it completely. You'll now make a space of about 2 centimeters, then fold it to you. This part needs to be straight, so be careful.
the same thing for the other side. And you will have something like this. Now grab the piece that you ripped off a moment ago and grab another sheet. You're gonna use it as a reference to make something that looks like this one, but it's not folded in half. That's why we're doing another one. Put it in here, in the top, then use your nail to mark something here, and fold and mark. Fold it like this, and then continue. And you just made an exact copy of this. Now again, using a scissors, or just by ripping it off, yeah, I did it this time. Now, I'm gonna grab this part and fold it in half, like this.
Oh, fail.
No problem. I appreciate your help. Now, rip about, make some space of 4 centimeters, about, and rip it off just a little bit, like this. Then, using that part, fold it to you. The same thing for the other side. Now, open it. And you'll have something like this. I'm gonna fold this part to the middle. This will make the tail very strong. Now you'll attach this to the airplane. Open it, put it in here. Make some space. And stop when you feel it's tight. Now, open this. And to end your fantastic airplane, you'll just tape the tip to make it fly very well. And you're done.
So, now all the gangsters like me because I have awesome paper airplanes. But if you want to know how to make a gun, because we really like guns, we gangsters, check out this project or check this other one. Either way, you'll be kicking some ass because they're awesome guns. Bye.